Hello everyone, we'll be just going through how we have to install QGIS now. So before the session starts tomorrow, I think it'll be better if you are able to install QGIS. So I'm just going to give you a small video which you can follow to install your QGIS software. So you go to Google or your Microsoft Edge browser, you type in QGIS download. So you see this first page here, download QGIS website. Download. Yeah, this one you can just skip it and go to download. Okay. Now, in the download page, you can see this option called as the long-term version for Windows 3.40 LTR. So, long-term version for Windows 3.40 LTR. So, this is the version that you should be installing for the class. So, I'm going to click on it and it will start downloading, and once the download gets completed we will see how we have to install the software. Okay, we are almost it is going to get completed, the download. So we'll just wait. Yeah, okay. So once your download is completed, you please open this installer. So you will get an installer like this, QGIS OSGEO 4W 3.40, and you have to just double click on it. So it will be mostly in your downloads folder. So you go to your download folder and you just double click on it, and then you just follow what we are doing. It is just like your other softwares. We are just going to do we're just going to move by clicking next. So you have to accept the terms and license. So you will click on next again. So it'll get saved in your C program files. This is important. You have to create these shortcuts. So they'll be automatically checked. And if it is not checked, you please check it. Okay. So the shortcuts, it's a bit easier to access QGIS. So next. And then you have to click on install. And then the installation process gets started. So once it gets installed, I will show you how the folder will look like so that you will be set for tomorrow's class. So yeah, you have to just give the permissions. So I'll just show you the setup once it gets installed completely. Okay, now your installation is done. So you have to just click on finish over here. So quickly you have to go to your desktop, and in desktop you will see this folder which you can see my cursor. So you will see this folder QGIS 3.40.10. So inside this folder you will have your different softwares, which is GRASS, QGIS and Saga, and we will be working with QGIS. So in tomorrow's class we will try to open this and we will start working with the software. So this is just a basic guidance to your installation. So this is the folder that you will be working with. This folder has to it has to be created in your desktop. So QGIS 3.40.10.